very excited to be here. I can feel the enthusiasm and openness of everyone. The Philippines is the third highest rate of mental health problems in the Western Pacific region. Listen with your eyes, with your ears, with your heart. Hindi lang ears, with your heart and with your eyes. Tingnan mo yung tao, yung mga monitoring, what do you call this, elements kanina. Tingnan niyo silang mabuti. So, hindi natin kailangan tanggalin yung paghihirap. In fact, when we look at the life of our Lord Jesus, panay paghihirap ang kanyang dinaanan. But there's resurrection, di ba? He did not give us a gospel that is free from suffering. Never did He ever present that to us, but that He will be with us, no matter what type of suffering we are going to undergo.
Heavens declare your great glory. The skies proclaim your splendid work. You're the Alpha and Omega, beginning and the end. The heavens declare your great glory. The skies proclaim your splendid work.
Tayo po ay nakasalalay sa Kanya. For from Him, and through Him, and to Him are all things, even healing. Sa ating mga worries and anxieties ay galing sa Panginoong Yesu Cristo. Kaya nga sabi, to Him be all the glory forever and ever.